Hello everyone, this is Anish Chandak from Division A, 4th year, presenting before you my 7th semester project, Krishi Samriddhi Kendra, mentored by architect Shantanu Atode. The brief was to design an agro development hub initiated by Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, con- the constructed along the Samruddhi Mahamad, which is an ongoing project connecting two major cities, Mumbai and Nagpur. The requirements were skill development center for farmers, agrotech center, agro research and development center with labs, trade center for farmers and shopping centers, residence for farmers, tourists and staff, exhibition center for the public and farmers, agrotourism center for public and users, parking for staff and visitors, also loading and unloading space for the market. The case studies were done to understand the scale and the requirement for the given components. So this is the case study of Agro Research Center in which there are four major blocks. One, the office space, exhibition, labs, and logistics. This is the site analysis of the site. The site is located in Kopargaon Taluka, Ahmednagar district. It is located along the east side of the river Godavari and north side there is Samruddhi Mahamarg. The site has contour of 1 meter drop each. The total area of the site is 300 acres. This is the map of uh, vicinity cities and major regions along the given site. The climate here is hot and dry, hence majorly bricks are used and flat roof is used to collect the rainwater in the houses constructed near the site. The concept behind the design was to achieve a design through understanding the culture, climate, context, and the tradition of the users. The builder should not hamper the surrounding context but merge with it, hence using local materials and making it cost effective as well as climate responsive. The planning was carried out in grid, arranging the spaces inside the grid and then forming a component with a central open space. The central open space can be treated as courtyard and major public activities or landscape areas. The major construction element was rammed earth, which is climate responsive for such type of site and also keeps the interior cool. The master plan showing the overall built up of the site, which is scattered along the site, hence the user can move from one place to another using the pathways and experience the site. These are the four major components in which there is an exhibition center with a central open space consisting amphitheater. Then the second block, institutional center, where three institutional buildings are clubbed together with a central open space. Trade center with a central open food court and the residential block. The floor plan. Here in the floor plan, the exhibition spaces have been separated according to their requirement, equipments, technology, products, and the central amphitheater and water body. The institutional buildings, Agrotech Center, Skill Development Center, and R&D. All these three spaces open up outside the landscape area proposed. This is the trade center. Here there is market, shopping center for farmers, food court, and logistics and storage space where the loading and unloading of the materials can be done. This is the floor plan of residential block. The tourist residence, farmers and staff residence with a central double-light courtyard and a cafeteria. Sections through the first section is through the trade center. The second section is through the residential block. The third section is through the exhibition center, and the fourth section is through the institutional block. This is the entrance lobby where the users first enter, and then there is a reception and waiting area. The central amphitheater with the water body overlooking the farms. The central courtyard between institutional blocks. An informal amphitheater where many activities can be done. These are some 3D views overall of the site. The first is courtyard inside the residential block, the food court, the two small courts which are given in the exhibition area, and farming area for the users.